Hello and welcome. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour on a pre-used canvas. As you can see, this is what happens when your surface is not level. It slides right off the paint as it dries. So we're going to try it again. This is a gallery wrap canvas, a 12 by 12, and I'm pouring on my base color now. My base color was created with white, Amsterdam white, and Dioxazine purple to create this lovely lavender. So I'm blowing out my base coat, and I pretty much use 1 part paint, 1 part pouring medium, and then I thin it to the consistency I like. You can be thick or it can be really, really thin. Depends on how you paint and how you like your paint consistency. So once I blow out my base coat and I will cover my corners, I will lay out my colors. All the information will be listed in the description below also. The first color I'm using is an Artist Loft Neon Peak. And then Artist Loft Dioxazine Purple. And this lavender is just a slightly darker than my base coat. This is Amsterdam Yellowish Green. And Amsterdam light blue, or no, sky light blue. And my metallic color is by Pebeo, and it's an iridescent gold. I'm adding some additional color, which is my base coat, around the paint so that the paint has somewhere to glide. I blow the base coat over my colors and then I blow out my colors. And if you don't have enough paint, colored paint on your canvas like this, then go ahead and don't be afraid to add more color to the canvas and just blow it out. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and share. My name is Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art, and creating is what we do.